Hello and welcome to OneID by World Federation. In this video, we'll walk you through the login, sign up and authentication process. Before getting started, you can choose your preferred language from the top right corner of the screen. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your registered email address and password. If you are new to OneID, click on Sign Up Now button to create your account. We'll now walk through the registration process step by step. Start by entering your personal information, including your first name and last name. Next, enter your valid email address. And your mobile number. Now, provide your basic information by selecting your sex and entering your date of birth. You can use the date picker to choose your correct date of birth easily. Create a strong and secure password for your account. Your password should include at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Once created, re-enter the same password in the Confirm Password field. Select your country of birth from the drop-down list. Before continuing, please review and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Tick the checkbox to confirm your agreement. Once all required fields are completed correctly, click the Register button to create your account. After registering, you will receive a verification email at the email address you provided. This email will contain the link to verify your email address. Open the email and click on Verify Email Address to activate your account. Please note that the verification link will expire in 15 minutes, so we recommend verifying your email address as soon as possible. If the link expires, you may need to request a new verification email. Once your email has been verified successfully, return to the login page and sign in using your email address and password. To help keep your account secure, OneID uses two-step verification. After entering your login credentials, you may be asked to choose your preferred authentication method. You can verify your login using either Authenticator app or email address. In this example, we'll continue using email address verification. Select email address, then click on Confirm Method. An OTP will be sent to your registered email address. Open the email and locate the 6-digit OTP code. Please note that this code is valid for 5 minutes only, so make sure to enter this code before it expires. Return to the OneID verification screen and enter the OTP code exactly as shown in your email. Make sure the code is entered before it expires. Tick the Remember Me on this device checkbox. It will help OneID remember your device securely, so you will not be asked for OTP verification the next time you log in from the same device. Once the OTP has been entered successfully, click Login to continue. You will now be securely logged into your OneID account and can begin using the platform.